So in this video, I'm going to go over this colored butane torch. Now what this is something that you use for like lighting a campfire or a grill or something like that. It has a long reach on it and it kind of looks like a lightsaber. You are going to need to get some butane. I use this Ronson butane fuel. This is what you're going to need, and you're going to fill it up in that hole right there. All you're going to do is get it like that, line it up, and then push. This one's already full, so it won't take anymore. I've already filled it up. And let me show you how this thing works. Actually, let's move the butane out of the way. It has a lock right here. See, when that's up, you can't turn it on. When that's down, we just turned it on. So you got minus and plus. Let's go to the minus. Nothing. When we're all the way at the plus, there it is. Now you notice you can't see, you can see a little bit of the red in there. Let's turn the lights out and let me show you what this thing looks like at the lights out, because it looks really cool. Y'all see that red that comes out of there? Is that not awesome looking? I'm not going to point it directly at the camera, but look at the size of that flame coming out of this. Now, that's great for starting a fire. I burn some boxes a lot of times, and it works great for that. This thing is awesome looking. You can turn it down. See, I've turned it down a little bit, just like that. And it has a look to it, but let's just turn it up all the way. Let me take it out here and burn some trash. I'm just gonna burn a box and show you how well this thing works, because I think this is a great addition to anyone that just needs to have like a, you know, cool looking little torch lighter. I'm gonna be using this for starting my fire pit anytime I need to start a little fire with this. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the lightsaber lighter. See y'all in the next video.